Today, we're going to unravel the fabric of space itself to understand a concept that's as mind-boggling as it is fundamental to our understanding of the universe. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to comprehend the unit known as a light year. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Imagine a beam of light traveling through the vacuum of space. This light zips along at a staggering speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, or about 186,000 miles per second, making light the fastest thing in the universe. Now, let's follow this beam of light for an entire Earth year. How far do you think it travels? The answer is a distance so vast, it's almost inconceivable. 1 light year. In numbers, this distance is about 9 trillion kilometers, or approximately 6 trillion miles. To put that into perspective, that's a 9 with 12 zeros trailing behind it in kilometers, or a 6 with 12 zeros in miles. It's the cosmic ruler scientists use to measure the vast distances between stars, galaxies, and all of the wonders that fill the night sky. Something incredible happens when we gaze upon the stars twinkling above us. We're not just seeing them as they are now, we're actually peering back in time. The light from our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, takes about 4.24 years to reach us, as it resides about 4.24 light years away from us. So when we admire its light, we're actually seeing it as it was over 4 years ago, as it takes this long for the light to reach us here on Earth. We're peering through time as we look upon the stars in the night sky, witnessing the history of the universe unfold before our very eyes. And what about the farthest reaches of the cosmos? One of the most distant galaxies scientists have observed, GN-Z11, is seen as it was a staggering 13.4 billion years ago. That's looking back nearly to the dawn of time, a mere 400 million years after the Big Bang. A light year is not just a measure of distance, but a bridge across time, connecting us to the universe's past, present, and future. It's a testament to the scale of our universe and the power of light to traverse it. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to show your support with a thumbs up or by sharing this video with someone else who may enjoy it. This truly does help a lot. I would also love to hear your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and be well.